The spookiest day of the year is here. And when it comes to setting the mood, colorful lighting goes a long way. Let us show you what we mean. And you go right here. Looking good if I say so myself. Double toil and… What? This? I didn't put on my costume yet, silly. This year, my costume's gotta kill it. Which means no top hat. But I have just the getup. I've been saving this thing forever. Isn't it gorgeous? And it's my favorite color. Ready for this? Abracadabra! What do you think? What are you, 8? No? But I've always loved fairy princesses. You're right. It's awful. But I just thought of something way better. It's just gonna take a little prep. For this, you'll need a top hat. And some Govee RGBIC strip lights. Simply stick the strips around the hat. It looks weird now, but just wait till you see them lit up. You can even stick them onto your clothes. Horizontal's good for this blazer. Then plug them in and let there be light, people! But the coolest part is that you can control them on the Govee app. Once it's downloaded, simply open the app, log in, select your lights, and you're done! You can then control them all wirelessly from your phone. Ready to show these bad boys off? Oh, girls, check out my costume! Pretty cool, huh? Come on, what do you think? Cool? You haven't even seen what it does yet. Hit it! It's linked right to the music! Party's looking brighter now, right? Those Govee light strips are pretty cool! And you can turn them any color you want. Or let them change all on their own. Most scare easily this time of year. Except for Lana. Betty, I know it's you under there. Ha! I'm not scared of a little tape, Betty. See ya! Am I the only one with Halloween spirit around here? That's a lot of plastic wrap. Take a sheet of plastic wrap and wrap your lower arm with it. Keep going till you get a few layers. Tape it with clear tape so it stays in place. Then, with scissors, cut upward against your forearm. Now tape it back closed without your hand inside. See this torso? Let's light it up. Put the Govee RGBIC strip lights on top, in a horizontal pattern. Now place a large torso shape on top. More clear tape will keep it together. Now to attach the arms. Yep, more tape here. And now it's showtime! Can't forget the head. Time to pick a color with the Govee app. Pretty cool, right? This'll sure get Lana's blood going. She's back! Why is it so dark in here? This is gonna be so good! Let's see. Is Betty even home? Is our power out or something? I gotta figure this out. It's working! Betty? What's going on? Just look at her face! Time to get those Govee lights glowing! Looks pretty eerie, doesn't it? I can even make them change colors. Hello? Please don't hurt me. I don't want to die. Oh god. Oh god. This app makes it so easy. Time for some twinkle action. Those flashing lights really set the tone. Wait a minute. This has Betty written all over it. Okay, time to come out now. Ahem. Just bringing in that Halloween spirit. By giving me a heart attack? At least the lights are cool. I got your favorite drink, Betty! It's Halloween today? Get off Insta! Did you know it was October 31st? What? We didn't even decorate the house! Oh, man. We've gotta have some food, right? Ugh. I knew I should have gone shopping. Unless… we can just get a little creative. Come on! Start by pouring red juice in a bowl. Then add some candy eyeballs. It's like a bloodbath in here. Once that's done, take a latex glove, fill it up with water, and pop it into the freezer. After a couple hours, it should be frozen solid. Use a box cutter, separate the hand from the glove, and into the bowl it goes. Gross! Set it aside for now. Have some hot dogs? Carefully cut out little chunks. Then make one square cut at the top. Starting to look a little familiar? Set the fingers aside and use a block of cheese to serve as fingernails. And top it all off with some blood. I mean ketchup. Ick! Now this is a Halloween feast! So glad we can get our grub on. But you wouldn't even know it was Halloween in here! Not one decoration! What a bummer, right? It just doesn't feel like Halloween without spiderwebs and skeletons. Wait! I was searching online the other day and saw all of Govee's awesome lights! Go to the page with RGBIC strip lights and pick from a bunch of different sizes. And with just one click, they'll deliver them right to your door. Thanks! I bought a couple of different sizes. Shall we? Govee lights, of course! You don't have to set up anything. Just slide them out and stick them to your couch and other furniture. They have TV lights, too. You wouldn't even know they're there. All you need is a little more decor to make everything Halloween-orific. Too pretty. Nice. This place looks fantastic! Check out all that backlighting! Want to see some other colors? You can create your own on the Govee app. Pick a collection of hues by hand. Then choose the style of lighting you'd like. And that's it! Whoa! It's like a customized light show at home! And it took mere seconds to set up. The classic RGB strips are single-colored. But these new RGBIC strip lights display different colors simultaneously. Told you lighting was everything! Watch this. Alexa, change Govee TV light to blue. Yep, you can even control them through Alexa. Now that's what I call smart lighting. See what I mean? Now we're ready to party. We want to look gorgeous, not scary. Powder shower! Achoo! Phew! What? What's that giant line doing there? This stuff's waterproof! Oh, hold on. Maybe a tissue could help? You're making it worse, Lana! I look like I'm a chimney sweep. Thanks. This is unfortunate. Wait a second. This tissue may actually work. Put a small square on your cheek. Then wet it with a brush. Gently tear the tissue. The back of a brush works best. Use another brush to clump it. Put some non-toxic glue onto a brush. Paint it onto the tissue. Put your regular foundation on a brush and put it on top of the glue. It should start to look like skin. Put red liquid lipstick on a brush. But it's not going on your lips. Put it on the exposed skin. Careful not to get it in your eye. Then blend it with a sponge. Use concealer to blend the edges. Don't want to see that tissue. That red contact is perfect! Good thing it's Halloween, right? I know, I'm a makeup maven! We're gonna be late, let's go! This video was sponsored by Govee. Think those Halloween hacks and Govee lights can brighten up your spooky holiday? Check the link in the description to win free RGBIC strip lights. Try it out with your buddies and tell us how it goes. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube page so you never miss out on the fun!